You guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Okay, here in Malaysia we celebrate Chinese New Year, and usually for Chinese New Year there will be Chinese lion dance, you know, with a lot of epic percussion and dope dance, you know. So in this video I'm gonna create that kind of Chinese lion dance beats. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor and join the XCC Tunes family by subscribing to the channel and turn on notification and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Every year usually we'll get to experience the lion dance, but due to pandemic right now I don't think we are able to see any of those beautiful performance. So I'm gonna just create something influenced by that kind of rhythmic lion dance music, right? So first I'm gonna bring in the percussion. I'm gonna use taiko. Let's go and find some nice punchy dry taiko. I'm just messing around with this sound. Okay, I'm just gonna play and get some rhythm going on, right? If that sounds right. I like the last one better. Let's try that. These 2 bars here. I love it. So let's quantize this a little bit. Perfect. So I'm gonna use just that rhythm for now. Okay, now the music starts with this percussion. And it's gonna be repeating throughout. I like that. Cool. Okay. Okay, what else can we add? Yeah, let's add that. That's cool, man. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this over, right? And this high percussion here, I'm gonna delete this. I want it to start coming from 9th bar. Damn, I need the cymbals right now. I don't like this part. I'm gonna just delete this. Okay, I want this to start here. Actually, I don't have the right cymbal sound that I want, but for this video I'm gonna stick to these cymbals. Okay, now we have the percussion ready. Let's add some melodic instruments. So I'm gonna go with oh, I have this cool instrument from Native Instrument. It's called YangQin or something like that. I got it for free, thanks Native Instrument. So I'm gonna use that. Ooh. I just used pentatonic scale. Like that. Duplicate that as well. That sounds good. Let me add some swings here. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna add something else, maybe a flute. Okay, there's timing error here, so let me just fix that here. Better. Okay. Now let's hear the flute and YangQin together. So the music is going to start with the percussion elements, then the YangQin is going to come in. So when the flute comes in, I'm just going to take out this YangQin part here and let the flute play, right? Okay, when this part comes in, I'm going to add a few more percussion rhythm there. Let's make it busy, right? So I'm going to mute this melody first. That's perfect. Okay, now let's add in this melody. think this music is ready. Let's hear it one more time. Okay guys, so this is it, a very simple festival Chinese music for Chinese New Year. I'm dedicating this music to all my Chinese friends who celebrate Chinese New Year, and to everyone. I hope you guys like this music. I just like to experiment with different kind of sounds, and this is me trying the Chinese music, right? So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and smash that like button, and share this video to all your friends, and have a great day guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.